to choose. What do I really want in my life? Seems that for too many years I'm only turning around. And so the story goes, I ain't ready to build a home. I ain't ready for babies. I want you It's a long road I'm walking on, it's an endless song. The first verse is over, but maybe I've sang it wrong. It's a long road I'm walking on, it's an endless song. Please, won't you please sing along? Time for you to choose if you really want me in your life. What I'm able to give with what I'm willing to try. And so